Hey there, welcome back to Tools Query. Today, I'm excited to review the CRAFTSMAN S165 gas-powered chainsaw, a powerful and versatile tool that's perfect for cutting through tough materials like wood and metal. In this video, I'll be taking you through the features, pros, and cons of this chainsaw to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. This CRAFTSMAN S165 chainsaw is powered by a 42 cubic centimeters engine that delivers impressive cutting power, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like felling trees and cutting firewood. It comes with an 18-inch bar and chain, which is long enough to handle most jobs while still being maneuverable enough to use in tight spaces. The chainsaw also features an automatic oiling system that keeps the bar and chain lubricated for smooth and efficient cutting, and a tool-free access chain tensioning system that makes it easy to adjust the chain tension on the fly. Now, let's talk about the pros of the CRAFTSMAN S165. One of the biggest advantages of this chainsaw is its power, which allows you to tackle even the toughest cutting tasks with ease. The 16-inch bar and chain also provide ample cutting capacity, while the automatic oiling system ensures that the chainsaw stays lubricated and running smoothly. The tool-free access chain tensioning system is also a great feature, as it makes it easy to adjust the chain tension on the fly without needing any additional tools. Of course, no tool is perfect, and the CRAFTSMAN S165 does have a few cons to consider. One of the biggest downsides of this chainsaw is its weight, which can make it tiring to use for extended periods of time. Some users have reported issues with the chainsaw's starting mechanism, which can be finicky and require multiple attempts to get the engine running. This gas-powered chainsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that's well suited for heavy-duty cutting tasks. While it does have a few drawbacks, its impressive cutting power, large cutting capacity, and convenient features like the automatic oiling system and tool-free chain tensioning make it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and demos.